of bikes, and we missed about 500 of them already passing, all en route to go support this child who asked that we have 100 bikes pass by. On the way up here, we came past the 5-mile trail of them coming. Just incredible. So many people coming out to drive past this boy's house. And it just doesn't stop. It goes on and on and on. People from LA, people from all over the United States came out for this. I hope I can hold up with the battery long enough to be able to continue to show the pictures. Hey, can you tell the people out here what's going on?
What it is this is an event for Josiah, and he's 13 years old, and he's got a medical condition where he's bedridden, and he asked KGB if we could bring 100 bikes here to drive by his house. Well, I guess we can't count very well because I think there's more than 100. So we're going over to his house and we're going to rev our motors up and show him the support the motorcycle industry is going to give him.
There you go.
And everybody else.
Right on.
So thanks for showing up.
Yep, everybody's out here, thousands and thousands of bike out here in support. Just a non-stop line. It's enough to bring you to tears.
Yes.
And if you stand around looking here at people, there are tears on everybody's faces.
So it's a good group. Thanks, everybody. We never knew it would. We never knew it'd be over this like this. This is overwhelming.
Totally overwhelming. I drove alongside with everybody. It was crazy coming up. 5 miles of bikes. And just that one coming this direction, I can imagine what came down from LA. And
I guess
from all over.
I guess Southern California came together.
Yep, they did.
And Arizona, there's a parade in Australia today for the same function.
You hear that, everybody? This is what the California Cannabis Coalition and San Diego County Normal are out here supporting this today.
How many would show up? Hey, thanks for coming.
Hey, you put a kid on the web that's got cancer, wants a wish.
Thank you.
Look at our show.
Thanks.
And you, why are you here?
Support a kid who wants it. Needs a favor.
There we go. There we go.
Thank you.
Look at California Cannabis Coalition. You'll see it up. California Cannabis Coalition. You'll watch the video.
KGB sent the word out that we want to do this. So we asked for 100 bikes. Just 100. 5,000? So you gotta be careful what you wish for when you ask the motorcycle rider. Because we come and help every week we come. Right around the corner, we're going to ride the motorcycle around the lot. He wanted 100 motorcycles to ride around his house. Because he's bedridden, he's 13. And here comes the pink Hummer. She represents cancer too.
Very good.
But when you ask motorcycle people to help, well, I guess more than 100.